What is this? Bricks for ants?
Come on, be aggressive with it.
Push.
Slap it around
Can you
a
push?
bit.
195.
I didn't even know.
50,
I didn't even know they made them in women's.
So a friend of mine, shout out to Chris Marion, gave me some springs for my AE86 from his old Corolla. These are aftermarket. I don't remember what brand they are. And he also gave me some tires. These are Achilles 123S's. If you guys know what that is, you'll know why that's cool.
Oh, quality. You could probably spin it all the way. Nice, and that happens while you drive.
Yeah, that happens while you drive.
Nice, dude.
No problem.
Sick. Scam.
These brakes are so small, dude. What is this? Brakes for ants? Let's check the suspension over here. Bushings don't look terrible, but I can't see them. Whoa, bro. Factory adjustable tension rod. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Dude, I mean, even like factory Mercedes don't have that, or Porsches. I hope that's what it is, right? That's an adjustable tension rod, right?
Looks like it. Wow.
Wow.
Technology.
Wow.
I'm not trying to rush you, Nikita, but we're running out of daylight. Unbolt it from top, unbolt it from bottom, pull it out, switch.
Caliper, pull the caliper out, and ball joint.
Can you just hit the two bolts?
Yeah, I think we can get the two bolts. I'm totally wrong.
Yeah, there's like two bolts there. Easy.
Easy peasy. Not very tight. I think those are tighter.
8.6, man. Doesn't have any pressure on it. It's too light. You really need to torque a paper to 75 foot-pounds. Easy. There you go. Now just unbolt the top and we're good.
Yep.
Oh, so easy. So easy. Faster. Faster.
What is this, NASCAR?
Yeah. Okay, Yankel Doodle do that thing out. Come on, be aggressive with it.
Push.
Slap it around
Can
a
you
bit.
push? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Alright. Interesting design, right?
Very simple.
Yeah, very interesting. So that's what was holding the spring in before.
How does it clamp? That's funny.
Yeah. I guess we need a spring compressor now.
Yeah, spring compressor, unbolt that. Yay.
This is when you remember those shop videos when the spring goes flying?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit!
Is that loose? What?
That was very loose.
What? Didn't even make a single impact. Look, the scam. Yeah, just drag that rotor all over the ground, Nikita.
Forgot resale value, man. Fuck. Yeah.
Oh.
That's quite the cut.
Mm-hmm.
That's quite the cut right there.
Do you need this? What is this?
I don't know. Chris told me it's like a spring stiffener that like old school Japanese people used to do. It's weird.
Is that the way it goes? Big on the bottom?
I would assume so.
Spring compressor.
Alright, are you ready to die?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, my health insurance went active today.
Oh really?
Yeah, so this works out.
Nice.
I scared. Never done it. Have you done it?
Yeah.
We're gonna die.
Easy.
We're gonna die.
Easy.
Let's try it.
Do you ever know this is gonna happen?
I've seen videos, man.
Yeah, we have no problem driving on tires inflated to 90 psi, but
Yeah, but you don't see those videos. Well, let the shock on. Oh, the shock was compressed. That's fine.
Oh.
We're retarded.
Yeah.
We're actually stupid, Adele.
Yeah.
Wow, so dumb. We didn't die.
Didn't die. We did it and we didn't die. So here we go. We're just gonna quickly do the other side right now. I don't think we're gonna put it on camera. Just go. We can do
Also 3 lug nuts.
it. Really?
Wow.
Scam. Yeah, we'll just knock this out really fast off camera. It's the same as the other side. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Go. A bit more. Almost. There we go. I'm in. There she goes.
There's your way.
Sick. We should do the other side first.
Yeah. Oh, that's the wrong way.
Yeah, that's all of them, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. That's it. There you go.
Okay. Ready?
Don't separate them. Yep. There you go. That's it. That's all I needed. All right. Wow, you got a torch to stick.
Of course, man. Use torque wrench.
Fucking Christ, man. Magic hands.
Magic hands, man. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, wheels.
There we go. Both sides done. Put some wheels on there. Maybe grab, you know, an extra lug nut for each side to put on there too.
I'll think about it. The rear should be easy because it's just shock, swap spring, shock.
Oh, what? It's way higher, but honestly looks pretty good because before it was pretty low in the front.
It's just an inch higher.
Compared to the back, yeah. It actually looks, I think, better. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Very good. Yay.
Looks like a Spazzy camber because it's probably not settled.
Alright, let's do rears. Come on.
Yeah.
Wasting time, boys. This one has a live axle setup. It's basically a solid axle. I mean, it is a solid axle, just, yeah. So now we just need to squish that spring out, take it out. But I think the easier, or what we think is the easier way, is to just remove that one bolt for the shock and then just let the entire thing sag. Spring comes out, put a new one in, boom, done.
There we go. You got it? Nope. Almost. Almost. Yeah. Okay. Go. No. It's easy.
Easy. All right, next side.
This one's easier. That's it. That easy. Got it. BRB. When people say you're not supposed to use torque wrenches as ratchets, I say they're wrong.
Nice. Look at how easy that was. Pop that thing in. Done.
I just wanted a quick inspection to make sure I don't die. The exhaust is an issue. That toe hook needs to be cut. Old bushings, that's gonna get done at some point. Diff is okay, it looks like. Rear sway bar is too small because the front sway bar is huge, so that needs to be balanced out. Oh, there's a leak from this. Brake line, exactly the one I was just speaking of.
Damn.
That might be why the brake feels soft sometimes.
Oh no, it's you don't need brakes, Nikita. It's ridiculous. Speeder man. Spider.
The pip.
Get her done, boy. Get her done, Tiger.
Hold that.
Said it was definitely loose. It's actually very loose.
I should do a trick.
Yeah. Good. They seem fine.
Yeah, they're fine. Needs an exhaust.
Exhaust, definitely.
Some bushings, some arms. Dude, that's a bump stop on a live axle car. You see that? Wow. It literally just bumps against the diff.
That's hilarious.
Old school technology, dude.
Let's go drop it. Put some wheels on this bitch. Alright, go. Wow, it's really high actually.
Higher than before?
Yeah. Whoa. Front super low.
Hold on, maybe it's to settle.
What was that?
Now it's lower than it was before.
Yeah, now it's way lower.
That was really funny. I literally just pushed on it like one finger.
Yeah.
And the whole thing's squatted. Oh, is this side still high?
No, it's good.
Sure.
Yeah. No, see? It's got action now.
Oh, that's exhaust. Make it loose.
You know, I think maybe the exhaust was holding it up.
Dude, you're right. That's what it was.
Yeah.
The exhaust held the entire car up.
That's funny.
Okay, that's not bad. It looks like a normal 86. Not slam, but normal.
Oh, riding in the 86, isn't that right? Fix the springy boys. Yeehaw. Oh my God, Nikita. Yes,
Responsive, man.
Responsive. After we got the springs installed, it was obviously pretty late at night, so then we decided to get the tires mounted up the next day at the Drift League. And the Drift League is a Pro-Am series that's held at Irwindale. Well, I believe this year it is. Don't know about the future. So we headed over there so that way Nikita could get his tires changed by Andy's tire, and he's going to be over there anyways the next day. So 2 birds with 1 stone. So here's a little footage from the Drift League. the drifting aside, though, we went about our task of actually getting the Achilles 123S's mounted.
Oh my god, why is it pouring harder this time when I start doing stuff? Oh, this is unfair! I need cover. Why is it so much rain? What the fuck? Like every time I start doing shit, it's like, boom!
Mush, Nikita. Slave.
I helped Nikita out a lot, as you can see.
Hey, Andy.
So you wait your week to mount it. That's the time you got a flat tire on the Corolla?
Yeah.
On the side of the freeway?
Yeah.
That's when the spring is snapped, right?
Yeah.
The snap is snapped.
Yeah, that's the one. This one.
Okay.
Look, that's what it did to it.
And whatever happened to your mom's AMB?
Ow, it's still broken.
Did she spank you or no? It didn't
She was very upset.
She was really upset.
I offered her the Corolla, but she was like, what? She didn't understand.
She knows the Instagram page, right?
Huh?
She does.
I had her blocked, right?
Oh.
I had her blocked.
Yeah, okay.
But then she, you know, there's like these websites which like mirror your Instagram account.
Yeah.
So she googled my name and she found like a mirror of my Instagram, and she clicks it, and the first thing she sees is me and Ross tandeming.
Okay, that's the first thing.
Yeah, that's the first thing she saw. So she's not very happy. She was very, very cross with me. I just told her, "What'd you expect? I am Nikita. You leave your car to me, I will dip."
Bring. Can we help? I'll help hold the umbrella, don't worry. It's a square setup, huh?
Yeah, but I want to match the scrubs.
Oh, he's gonna put some real tires on them.
Yeah. He's gonna daily drive in the rain with 123s. Like, greatest idea ever.
This is the set. Wait, why am I rolling these? That's so light. Dude, mesh wheels suck. How do I... Outside.
Good.
These wheels
Wow.
are so light, man.
Aesthetic.
Look at that. Same as the Evo.
Look at that.
We're matching now.
Yeah, except you don't have enough power to spin those.
I'm not trying to spin them. I'm trying to beat Krishan and the snake.
Really? In this thing?
Yeah. I'm gonna whip his ass.
Good luck. You need a lot of suspension work.
Oh yeah, no.
But it's possible.
It's happening. I'm gonna get some feels probably.
I feel you. Where'd you get the Achilles from?
Chris Marion gave it to me for free.
The Rod's like, son of a... I'm gonna swoop those when he's done.
What, 15s?
When you see
You
that.
better run 15s on your Evo?
Are those 15-inch Achilles?
Yes, they are. 195.
I didn't even know.
50,
I didn't even know they made them in women's.
You know what's funny? No matter how low your car is, the jacking height will always be the same in the rear.
I know, right? It's weird.
Yeah.
Are they letting you go out or what?
You know about different?
Dip?
Yes.
Let's see if you won't. It's raining.
Yeah, Nikita.
I thought you were
You're a bad
Russian.
driver, Nikita?
I mean, if
I
I
thought you were
if I had
Russian.
good suspension, I could
Look at
play
that.
it.
Look at the excuses now. That's all I hear.
Excuses.
He's not really Russian. You better check that last name. Aren't Russians supposed to be like really good drifters? In the rain? That's how they live, but yes.
I am good in the rain, but I also don't like open diff.
Excuses.
I hear excuses. That's all I hear.
It's like, I'm a great dancer. I just don't have my dancing shoes on.
Yes. He's missing his dancing shoes.
Or else I would dance. But
Missing his dancing shoes.
dance to these now, can I?
They're pretty fun. There's like, it does nothing until you hit 5K, and then there's whoop,
And then have a little.
yeah. It's almost like boost, but not boost.
Piece, to be honest.
No, it's actually really nice.
Nikita, plug your ears. If you're not gonna talk shit about it, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear good things about Nikita's cars. What?
No, it's pretty good.
You know when the water seeps into your shoe?
Oh yeah, no, I know. Yeah, thank you, Nikita, for making me move cones for you. Not big deal. I didn't want dry feet. Oh my god.
Gets your sock wet. That's been happening to me all day.
Just put the tip of the umbrella over him so everything runs off on his back.
Oh my god! Like went into my eye, you asshole. Ready?
Yeah. I'll cover you this time.
Oh yeah, thank you actually. I was about to run.
Tag team.
Teamwork. Teamwork.
Teamwork
makes the dream work.
Oh. I'm actually going to stand over Nikita this time.
Oh my god, I hate mesh wheels.
I'm here to help you, Nikita. I like how you take care of your nice tools, Nikita.
What do you mean?
Look at your impact.
Oh yeah, that's why I buy expensive ones, because then they never break.
So, I did the last wheel, but now Nikita's back on track. Well, doing all of his his Moto IQ stuff or whatever for the Drift League. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe, notifications on. You know what I'm saying? I got more products coming out in the shop, so go check out offbeatgarage.com and help support. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I have $2,000. You owe me $2,000. Buy me. Give me the 86. Oh my god.
I will.
Almost died.
Tonight.